With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. It is given that a non-viscous liquid of constant density 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube is flowing in a streamline motion along the vertical to PQ of variable cross section. Now the height of P and Q are given as to be 2 and 2.5 respectively, and area of Q is 3 times. So this is a big area, 3 times the area of the tube P. This is a smaller area. We need to calculate the work done per unit mass by pressure as water flows from P and Q. Okay, well, while water is flowing from here to here, what is the work done by the pressure? Now speed at P is given as to be 3 meter per second. So here the speed is given as to be, at this junction, speed is 3 meter per second. So first we need to determine what is the speed at this point. Okay, how can we find the speed at this point? Let's say this is our this first and this is our second cross section. Okay, now this would be our V2. So we can directly apply our continuity equation. What does continuity say? A1 V1 would be equals to A2 V2. So we can say that A1 V1, this would be equals to A2 V2. Okay, now if area here is A, so this is our cross section 1, area here is A. What is the velocity? 3. What is the area A2 here? The area of Q is given as to be 3 times. So we say that it is 3 times this area into velocity V2. Now straight away our velocity at this point would turn out to be, V2 value would turn out to be 1 meter per second. Now this is the value here. Now here, if we choose our datum as to be this is, let's say, our different datum level. So there would be some potential energy, some kinetic energy here. There would be some potential energy and kinetic energy at level 2. Now if there is a difference in the two quantities, that means there would be a work done by the pressure. Okay, now we need to find work done by pressure. So what we can take the mass per unit, sorry, work done per unit volume. So we can take our mass as to be, if volume is 1 and density is 10 raised to the power 3, so mass would be density times volume. So we need to apply per unit volume. We can just multiply it by a unit volume. So it would be 1000 kg. That means water is flowing. So per unit volume, the mass of water which is flowing is 1000. Now we calculate energy at this level, E1. So E1 would be potential energy plus kinetic energy at 1. Now what is the potential energy at 1? It would be 0. Why? Because we have set it to be the datum. So for calculating potential energy, we can set any level as the reference level. We are taking this as the reference level. What is the kinetic energy? It is half into m. Mass is 1000 into v square. What is the velocity? Velocity is 3. So 3 square would be 9. Now if we calculate this, then our E1 would turn out to be, this value of our E1 would turn out to be 4500 joule. Now this is the value of the E1. Now if you find the value of our E2, this energy at the second cross section, so it would be sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy at our second this junction, this second cross section. What is potential energy? mgh, m into g. Now what is the height from the reference level? Now if we check what is the height from here to here, this is our reference level. So what is the height here to here? It would be just 0.5, because total is 2.5. This reference is at 2 locations. So what is the difference from here to here? It is just 0.5. So we put the value as 0.5 plus kinetic energy would be equals to 1 divided by 2 into m into v square. V square would be 1 square. 1 square would be 1. Okay. So this value would turn out to be, if we calculate E2, E2 would be 5500 joule. Now initially it was having this much amount of energy, 4500 joule. Now it is having energy 5500 joule, 5500 joule. So who has given it the energy? So basically it is the work done by the pressure. So what would be the work done by the pressure? The difference of these two energies, 5500 minus 4500. So this would turn out to be 1000 joule. This is the work done by the pressure per unit volume. Which is the correct option? Our B option. So basically this is per unit volume. We can just write per meter cube. These all quantities would be basically meter cube, because we have just taken volume to be unity. So these quantities are the meter cube. So B would be the correct option. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.